Imagine driving with the confidence of a celebrity, untouched by speed traps, safeguarding the very essence of luxury driving. At Carisma Customs, we understand the value you place on discretion and performance. That's why we are proud to be the exclusive provider of the Stinger Laser Jammer. Here's the proof. Beyond just evading speed traps, the Stinger Laser Jammer offers unmatched protection that integrates seamlessly with the luxury and performance of your vehicle. Experience the unparalleled advantage of driving with the Stinger Laser Jammer yourself. Visit Carisma Customs today to get a quote and transform your driving experience into one of uninterrupted luxury. Carisma Customs, where luxury meets unbeatable protection.
Goodbye.